Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now today's video is another great unboxing episode for you guys. I have bought two 1 gram Pamp Lady Fortuna gold bars. So I ordered these from Bullion by Post. I know the premiums are high on 1 gram gold bars. However, I don't like odd numbers and I currently have 4 1 gram Royal Gold Mint bars, but only 2 Pamp 1 gram gold bars. So it was annoying me. I wanted to make them even, 4 of 4. So that's exactly what I've done. Plus, I actually do see 1 gram gold bars being valued at around £100 a gram in sort of the next 10 years easily. And that's just my opinion. So even though the premiums are high, wow, I think it's an investment nonetheless. Wow, let's get this out of the packaging. Already I'm excited. Wow. I love Pamp. Oh my God, it's so nice. The quality of their gold is just unbelievable. Let's put one down so we can take a closer look. The blue against the gold is just so tasty. And I love the polished finished on the back. Wow, look at that. So as we look at the details, we can see it's a Pamp bar with the very scan feature to check the authenticity. It states its weight, which is 1 gram gold. It's fine gold, 24 carat. The purity is 999.9. with its bar mintage serial number on the back. Let's take that off so you guys can see how shiny it really is. Wow. Whew. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow, that is very, very nice indeed. Again, the premiums are high, but as I'm a long-term investor, 25 plus years, I don't really get too bogged down by the premiums so much. I do monitor them, but I don't let them control my purchasing that much. I'm glad now I have 4 of 4, 4 1 gram Pamp gold bars and 4 1 gram Royal Mint gold bars. So that means there is now 8 grams of 1 gram gold, and I really like that because it means I have good liquidity if I ever need some cash, which I don't currently. I'm in a very fortunate position, but you've got to prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you don't miss out on any more unboxings. For shorter versions of our content, head over to our TikTok and Instagram. The links for those are in the description below. Thanks for watching as always, and until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Bye-bye.